Today we're diving deep into one of the most requested topics we get, finding loads. It's a subject that can seem pretty complex, so we're breaking it down into bite-sized pieces. Alright, let's get into it. Finding loads, especially if you're new to the game, can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But don't worry, we've got some tips to make it easier. Long before the modern load boards we use today, things were pretty old school. Shippers and truckers used bulletin boards at local fuel stations. Drivers would pin up 3x5 cards with their details, hoping to catch a load. These informal systems paved the way for the load boards we have now. Nowadays, load boards are powerful tools. They bring together carriers, brokers, and shippers. But remember, a load board should be your secondary source. The real goal is to build relationships with shippers directly. Use load boards when you need a backhaul or can't find a load. Some think load boards are just for backhauls. While they can be, they're also great for finding high-paying loads, especially in a market with lots of freight and few trucks. It's all about being in the right place at the right time. Here's the thing, load boards offer more than just loads. They provide valuable information like current rates, hot markets, and details about load providers, including credit scores and payment timelines. This info can help you make smarter decisions about which loads to take and which brokers to trust. When starting out, you might not know which load board to choose. Look for ones with a solid reputation and those that offer tools like rate information and broker credit scores. Posting your truck is a basic but crucial step. Include details like your availability, equipment type, and preferred destinations. Be clear but flexible about where you're willing to go. Investing in additional load board options can be worth it, especially when starting out. Features like live call support, rate indexes, and credit checks can make a big difference. Using a load board is dynamic. It's not a set-it-and-forget-it tool. Set alarms to get notified when suitable loads come up and keep checking for new postings. The more you engage with the load board, the better your chances of finding the right loads. Lastly, always build relationships. Once you find a broker who works well with you, keep in touch. Good relationships can lead to more consistent and better paying loads. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And remember, for all your service needs, call 866-477-0707 or visit us at FMCSA registration.com. Thank you for watching.